Assalamualaikum and welcome to the Ultimate Saving Tracker. This is very simple and easy to use tracker created specially for beginners and for anyone who wants to build better saving habits. First, we can change the currency from the drop down menu. All major currencies are included. If your currency is not available, you can simply type it and press enter. A warning message will appear. Just press OK and your currency will be available and added. Currently I am using USD, so I will select it. At the top I have added some important KPIs including total targets, total saved, total remaining, overall progress and the active goals. We can add up to 12 saving goals at the time. Now I will show an example of how to use this template by adding a new saving goal and recording a transaction. Let's start. I have already around 500 saving categories to the drop down list. But if your desired goal is not available, you can simply type your own goal. For example, let's say I want to buy a new car. As you can see, the text is currently displayed in light red and marked as goal complete because the target amount has not been set. Now I'm going to enter the target amount, 5,000. I can also enter the amount I already saved for this goal. For example, let's say I have already saved 500 for the car. Now you can see the sparkline bar chart is automatically displayed, showing the progress of the saving goal. Next, I'm going to add the target date by double click. A calendar will pop out. Let's go to the December 2026. Now you can see there are 132 days left with 4,500 remaining amount. Since I have not recorded any contribution yet, the current average is not available in the car saving section. And the car goal is now fully set up, and you can see the monthly gap is minus 1250 because we have not started the saving. This means we need to save up approximately 1250 per month to reach the goal. Now let's record a transaction. Today is 21st August. I need to choose the today's date. We can type any keyword or our saving goal will appear in the drop down. I will select buy a new car. Now I will enter the amount. Let's say I save 500. I plan to save 500 every week, so weekly. As you can see, the remaining amount is updated. The spark chart bar chart is updated, and one important thing is here that the current average is not available. The current average becomes available once there is enough time between the transaction date to calculate the meaningful average. For example, I'm going to change the transaction date to 1 month ago. So now you can see the average monthly saving is $500. So my current average is $500 per month, but I need to save $1250 per month to reach my target timeline. That's mean my monthly gap is minus 750. Because the monthly gap is negative, it is displayed in red. When the monthly gaps become positive, it will display in green, as you can see here, the self-care goals. There is one more important option, priority, I missed before. You can select the priority of each saving goal according to your preference. And that's all about the Ultimate Saving Tracker. If you like this template and want to use it, you can find the link in the video description. Thank you. Bye.